small stroker has an inlet which is about, I'd say, 1.25 inches. I don't know how many millimeters that is because I don't do anything in millimeters. And the rear bung hole is about 3/4. Now on a big stroker fongier, and this is a big fongier, I painted it with heat paint that didn't work out, but you can see the physical size is a lot bigger. The inlet here is about 1.25 inches, and look at the bung hole on this bitch. Look at that. It's way over 1 inch. I mean, you could go to war with something like that. Not even F-16 fighter jet has got an exhaust port that fucking big. Look, it's huge. Now that is the big fongier. This fongier over here, and you can see it says fongier on the back. This is the fongier stainless steel pipe, and I've tried all of them because I just love trying new things. This one's real heavy too. They're beautifully made. And all these pipes were purchased over the years from VT Cycles shop, which I believe now is not open, but the owner does have an eBay store, fast, 2 wheels, or you can email him at vtcycles@gmail, I believe, .com, and you can ask him about parts. You can ask him if he has parts for other bikes. I've never been to Hawaii, so I don't know exactly. All I know is if you do get parts from this gentleman, Steve Vantrease, you can't go wrong, because my whole channel is built off of his help. He's helped started me doing this. Anyway, this pipe right here is for a small stroker, and this is one that I had to paint silver, and I've used it a lot, and it had a holder right here that went on to this part, but it fell off and it pissed me off. You can't get another one, so I just JB welded this together. There's nothing wrong with the pipe at all. It just has it's just held together right there, and if you have it on the bike, you can't tell. So this is the one that Frankie wanted me to really look at, and it's a little bit dirty, but I want to tell you another thing. What I do with these bikes, with these pipes, every year I take this part off. I will take the cone off here, and they have this asbestos wrapping, like fiberglass wrapping inside there, and it gets oil in there from the pipe. And what I do is I replace the wrapping. So we replace the wrapping, and it's all good. And this is one of the pipes that you can see is it's just an old pipe. That's just one I'm not really using right now. Now I've had 2 or 3 others, and so anyway, I'm going to post this. But that's the one, Frankie.